So one of the main features of a spreadsheet is the ability to analyze the data, make charts and graphs out of it. So basically you just need your data set, which in terms of a school will probably be a number of grades associated with kids or numbers of days absent, that kind of thing. Anyway, I'm going to choose my Star Trek data set here. I'm just going to choose all 11 of these and I'm going to insert a chart. So I go up to the insert menu here and I choose a chart. You can see it made a decision for me. It decided that I wanted a pie chart. Okay, which might be exactly the right thing that you want. You can obviously see that I'm a Next Generation fan here too. But if we go up to the top, if I could get there, if I go up to the top, you can also choose bar graphs. Depending on the type of data that you're analyzing, you could have all sorts of trend lines, combo charts, you can do all sorts of things. Then of course what you can do is you can customize that. So you can put in your chart's title here. So I'd say Star Trek shows. You can edit any of these, you can edit the colors, you can do all sorts of things with them. So that's how you create the chart in the first place. And then once you have that chart, there are a number of things you can do with it. So once it's created, it's already here, it's ready to go. Let me zoom out a little bit so you can see it a little bit better. Then you can do a number of things with it. So we can hit this in the top right corner, the three buttons right here, and I can decide I want to move this to its own sheet. Okay, so I'm just going to click on that, and then all of a sudden we have a sheet that is nothing but chart. Okay, now the next step on our continuum here is copy and paste the chart to docs or slides. They make it really simple right here. And like Google usually do, there are a number of different ways you can copy things and move them around. So I'm just going to tap on that copy chart there. I'm going to open up a new doc. And I'll pop that into the dock as soon as it's open. Here we go. And if I just Control V, it's going to paste my chart in there. It's analyzing the data, it's thinking about it. Where are we going to put it? Come on. So now it's showing up on my on this separate document. There's another way to do that. If I go back to my spreadsheet, and if I go back to the sheet that had the chart in it, I'll just insert it again, our pie chart. Then all I need to do, just like as if it were text, I can just copy this, Command C, and then I can go to another document and I can just paste it in there. Link to the spreadsheet, or you can paste it unlinked. Don't worry about that at this moment. What that really means is, okay, I will explain it, is if the data on the spreadsheet changes, it will actually be reflected on this document. Generally, you don't want to be that complicated, so you'd probably paste it unlinked, but that's totally your call. So that's how you copy charts from spreadsheets into documents.